Hey YouTube, a show of hands, who gets a boner when they see stuff like this? Whole roasted pig, roasted duck, barbecue pork. This is all Chinese Hong Kong style barbecue, and it's very highly represented. And it's been my opinion that this place has always been one of the best. Dum Yin used to be located on Spadina, south of College, just a little bit south of Grossman's Tavern, if you know where that is. Now, they served up all your typical barbecue, but this place has the best Char Siu or barbecue pork. Now, this isn't just a personal opinion. There literally was publication that labeled this place having the best in North America. They even have an award posted about this as well. It's all thanks to this guy. He ran the business for probably at least a good 40 years, if not longer. But this place is practically an institution. It was regulated a lot by not just Chinese people, but U of T students because of its proximity, and it was really cheap to eat here too. If it sounds like I'm advertising or touting this place a lot, well, it's for a good reason. I practically lived right around the corner, right there. Literally right across the street from Olivia Chow, by the way. And that place is located from there, right about there. Or that's Grossman's Tavern, and they're just a couple doors down. Now, this isn't really free advertisement for the place because they're not there anymore. Sadly, I think it was about 2014, the couple that originally owned this place retired, and they sold their business to a younger couple who screwed up the place and has since shut it down a couple of years ago, which is now a bubble tea joint. Yes, a bubble tea joint. If that isn't a kick in the keister of my childhood, there's a motherfucker. But not to worry, Chinatown does have other options. Like this place, another one of my favorites, is called House of Gourmet. You've also got Goldstone over here. And then you've got the famous institution, King's Noodles. But popularity and demand has allowed for this to also exist in supermarkets like TNT, or Besco. There's this place out in Scarborough that does a really good job too. Now, before I go rambling on a little bit more, I'm going to show you how to make Char Siu, and it's very simple. This is what you'll need. Now let's get started. You can start by preparing your marinade. I'm not doing exact measurements, I do it all by eye. But when it comes to the sugar, I've seen recipes where that uses honey instead. That'll work as well. Other recipes I've seen use ketchup, I don't know why, but it'll give you a good red color, which I'm actually going to leave out. I use a boneless pork shoulder butt. It has a good mix of fat and lean, but if you find it's a little too much, you can always trim some of the fat out. This is a very large piece, so I'm actually going to divide it up. This will be enough to make maybe 3 meals worth. I'm only going to marinate about 2 pounds worth here. Make sure it gets fully coated. Set it aside in the fridge for at least overnight, longer if possible. Now you want to cook this low and slow, about in 350, 340 for 20 minutes or so. You want internal temperature of at least 180 degrees Fahrenheit. A little higher shouldn't be any worry. Now if it was the summertime, you could actually put this on the barbecue for maybe about a minute on a high heat just to crust up the outside. but I'm going to do this indoors. I'm going to set my oven to about 500 degrees. I just want to scorch the outside for about a good minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes. You don't want to do much longer than that because don't forget there's a lot of sugar in this, so it will burn quite easily. So just keep an eye on it. Once you pull it out, you give it at least a good 10-minute rest. Go ahead and start cutting it. Don't worry if it still looks a little pink on the inside. That's just the nature of meat.